It is now very important for all of us to find a way of ending single-use plastics, and we can think of moving totally from linear economy to circular economy. That way we can reduce plastic pollution.
We are a plastic manufacturing company, but now we have changed that into calling it a plastic recycling and manufacturing company.
We generate 1 million metric tons of plastic waste every year in Ghana, and we're only able to recycle 9% of it. There is so much room for growth.
Plastic, it has a long life cycle because it keeps mixing with newer plastic. In Africa, we need to use our local raw materials. Recycled plastic is a local available raw material. We moved from 10-20% of our mix being made of recycled to 50-60%, and we believe that the trend should get us up to 100% recycled plastics.
Plastic recycling goes through a lot of process.
The chain starts with the waste pickers. These are independent workers that go around from homesteads to schools, event centers, and sometimes from the beach. When you have high tide, you're able to get lots of plastic from the oceans, and then from the municipal dump as well. And then aggregators come with trucks. These trucks load up the waste and then take it to a waste processing site, such as Miniplast here. Sort them, crush them, and get them ready for the next product. Some of them even food-grade products.
Good plastic recycling needs proper segregation of the plastics. So you have to segregate by type and you have to segregate by color, and that's a very manual process.
The cleaning process is very important because most of this plastic waste were used for food or may have contained chemicals at some point, and then shred them to size, wash them thoroughly, and then prepare them for recycling.
Grace is one of our superstars, and she came as a superstar out of nothing. She had come from Kumasi, and she comes and tells me that she needs to make a bucket that she will sell. Okay, how many buckets do you want? She said, I want 100 buckets. I say 100 buckets, it's a very small business for us. I mean, we produce thousands of buckets on a daily basis, and I felt that brightness in her eyes and that eagerness to get the job done. And I said, well, she looks like she knows what she's going to do. So we made those 100 buckets for her.
And I send it to my customers, and my customer says he wants it. So the time I started working with Miniplast.
The second order was 2,000. And since then, we produced every day 3,000 buckets for her and 2 other entrepreneurs she has groomed, and that they work together. So this really has brought, let's say, a local industrial market.
If you bought a bucket, you can use it and make it another bucket, recycle again. I want to take the broken one, I want to crash and send it to Miniplast.
She's setting the trend. At the end of the day, that's how it's going to be.
Our environment is being protected, we are having clean energy, and then we are also providing income for all these people along the plastic value chain.
It is a very good thing to do. It is necessary for the environment, but it's only viable in Africa because it's economically viable. Norfund's investment at Miniplast allowed us to improve on our production, on the quality of our recycled plastics, and on the mix of recycled plastics versus virgin products. We increased our workforce by around 30%, but we believe also it was going to affect regionally on the trend of how to use plastics.
I don't just get to advance my career, I also get to protect my environment. So I'm very passionate about this work.